Hi, welcome to BizWorld Global channel. I'm Simon Chong as Director of Product Division of the BizWorld Global. I would like to thank you of you because still stay with us in this channel and follow us in the BizWorld Global, a health revolution platform toward a healthy, happy, and harmony lifestyle. Today we will talking about the natural medicine, the next healthcare revolution. Natural medicine, or sometimes we refer as alternative medicine, is a philosophical and therapeutic paradigm of health based on the constitutes of hundreds or even thousands of years of traditional use of various therapies. It is designed to support and enhance the natural healing force of the body and those with it by the natural and supported by the science to either confirm or disconfirm the validity and reliability of natural health philosophy, principle, practice, and products. Natural medicine has become more popular in today globally because of natural remedy. Most of the natural medicine is based on the traditional medical system of treatment. Is a rapidly growing healthcare system of economic importance and is now widely used in many countries of the world. In future, increasing use and fast-growing market of the natural and herbal medicine or healthcare in both developing and developed countries of the world, policymakers, health professionals, and the public are increasingly expressing concern about the safety, efficacy, quality, availability, preservation, and further development problem of these botanical functional products. Public demand has also grown for evidence on the safety, efficacy, and quality of the botanical functional product and traditional medicine practice. In order to allay this concern and to meet the public demand, it provides and aims to explain a different kind of the natural medicine. Before we go into detail in natural medicine, let us to spend some time to go through some facts and information. According to a report from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, as global health system currently feel the stress of the increasing cost, the sensibility of combining some integrated medicine into national healthcare seems logical and has been proven. The budget for the National Health Service United Kingdom for 2016 and 2017 is £120 billion. This is a focus for rise by nearly £35 billion in cash terms, an increase of 35% by 2021. In 2008, the UK annual spend on alternative health treatments was almost £4.5 billion, a market that has grown by nearly 50% in the last 10 years. These increasing expenses in indicated natural medicine and integrative medicine are becoming the healthcare priority choice for post-treatment and preventative care in the health. So, why natural medicine become a global new trend in preventative healthcare, and most of the people now accept the concept and practice of natural medicine? Western medicine is reactive care that treat disease and other illness as they arise. Natural medicine, however, provide more preventative care that work to make sure the body system such as the immune system, digestion system are functioning at their best. Many times, the whole body system, when not working properly or in disharmony condition, can be underlying cause of the diseases. Today, many people are not making the best lifestyle choice concerning exercise and diet, and the preventative and whole body care that naturopathy offer is more needed than ever. As a naturopathy working in the natural medicine world, you will be able to help provide access to this much needed medical skill. In combination of the Western medicine and natural medicine, or known as integrative medicine, we believe that we'll be able to help people to have a healthier and more balanced diet. It is my great pleasure to introduce Muhammad Yamin, our Smart Lab panel member, to discuss further the overview future trend of natural medicine in health promoting care in global. Muhammad Yamin is a double master holder in science and pharmacy from University of Hasanuddin Makassar and University of Gadjah Mada, Indonesia. He was visiting lecturer at the Gorontalo State of University. He has served in the National Agency of Drugs and Food Control Gorontalo, Indonesia for 8 years, especially in the Traditional Medicine Control and Registration Division. Muhammad Yamin is an experienced and expert herbalist which has more than 15 years in the natural medicine industry, especially in plant and strategy setup, product development, research, and training. Currently, he is the member of Smart Lab panel of the Biswa Group. Let us know more about the natural medicine in integrative medicine from Muhammad Yamin.
Meskipun saya berlatar belakang sebagai apoteker, kurang lebih selama 20 tahun yang fokus terhadap perkembangan pengobatan barat, akan tetapi sejak tahun 2010, saya mulai terjun dalam penelitian pengobatan alami dan pengobatan fungsional alami. Pengobatan fungsional mewakili transformasi di bidang kesehatan. Ini adalah filosofi kesehatan yang optimal, di mana proses penyembuhan holistik tubuh manusia berfokus terhadap perbaikan fungsi sel dan regenerasi sel. Kita ketahui bersama bahwa tubuh kita tersusun dari triliunan sel, sehingga jika tubuh sakit, pada hakikatnya sel lah yang sakit. Oleh karena itu, jika yang menjadi fokus pengobatan adalah sel, maka hasilnya adalah penyembuhan secara holistik. Dengan kata lain, pengobatan fungsional berusaha untuk mengatasi penyebabnya, sementara pengobatan barat disusun untuk mengelola gejala penyakit. Pengobatan alami lebih fokus pada pencegahan dan penanganan pasca pengobatan. Umumnya, pengobatan alami bekerja dengan jalan mengoptimalkan serta menormalkan kembali fungsi-fungsi organ, diantaranya dengan memperbaiki sel tubuh. Hasil akhir adalah tubuh dapat mencegah terjadinya penyakit, meningkatkan kemampuan dan percepatan recovery pasca mengalami penyakit. Tubuh terdiri dari kumpulan sel. Jika tubuh sakit, pada hakikatnya sel lah yang sakit. Demikian sebaliknya, jika tubuh sehat, maka sel lah yang sehat. Fungsi utama makanan adalah memberi nutrisi bagi sel tubuh agar dapat berkembang, melakukan aktivitas, dan proses regenerasi dengan asupan nutrisi yang dapat ditunjang oleh gaya hidup sehat, maka akan menjadikan tubuh sehat secara alami. Kesalahan dalam memilih jenis, proses, kombinasi, serta volume makanan yang dimakan akan menyebabkan makanan yang dikonsumsi tidak mampu memberikan nutrisi bagi sel. Mekanisme pengobatan alami bekerja pada inti penyusun tubuh, yakni sel. Dengan mekanisme memperbaiki dan menormalkan sel melalui suplai oksigen yang cukup dan asupan nutrisi yang dibutuhkan oleh sel, sehingga sel memiliki energi dan mampu melakukan perbaikan terhadap ketidaknormalan yang dialami tubuh secara holistik. Beberapa dokter di Jepang menggunakan obat kampo sebagai pengobatan tradisional Tionghoa dalam praktek sehari-hari, kadang-kadang sebagai obat pilihan, menggunakan secara bersama kombinasi radioterapi atau kemoterapi dalam merawat pasien kanker. Pengobatan barat selalu menyasar pada reseptor obat. Reaksi antara reseptor dan obat tersebut menimbulkan efek farmakoterapi. Penyembuhannya bersifat parsial, sebatas organ yang dipengaruhi oleh reseptor. Pengobatan fungsional alami bertumpu pada perbaikan sel, sehingga penyembuhannya bersifat holistik, meliputi pencegahan penyakit maupun perawatan pemulihan penyakit. Kombinasi pengobatan barat dan kombinasi pengobatan fungsional alami menghasilkan efek sinergis, yakni efek terapi cepat, serta penyembuhannya yang menyeluruh. Fitomek mengandung fitonutrien, asam amino, dan mikronutrien, merupakan senyawa kimia alami berasal dari tumbuhan. Fitonutrien memiliki efek sebagai antioksidan dan antiinflamasi yang bisa membantu menjaga kesehatan tubuh manusia. Asam amino merupakan bagian dari makronutrien atau bentuk sederhana dari protein atau sering disebut energy providing nutrients yang digunakan oleh sel untuk melakukan berbagai aktivitas serta proses regenerasi. Fitomek diperoleh dari hasil fermentasi buah dan sayur yang kaya akan kandungan fitokimia atau fitonutrien, di mana komponen fitonutriennya telah diubah menjadi senyawa sederhana melalui proses fermentasi, menyebabkan mudah diserap tubuh dan cepat menimbulkan efek. Memiliki pengaruh terhadap penurunan resiko penyakit kronis, seperti penyakit kardiovaskuler dan neurodegeneratif, obesitas, diabetes, dan kanker. Fitomek mengandung fitonutrien yang merupakan komponen makanan bioaktif karena aktivitas biologisnya sebagai suplemen alami yang penting dalam menunjang kesehatan manusia. Fitomek sangat aman dikonsumsi. Hal ini dibuktikan dengan hasil uji toksisitas yang dilakukan pada hewan uji. Fitomek terbukti secara klinis menurunkan gula darah puasa. Fitomek terbukti secara praklinis memiliki efek menurunkan hiperlipidemia, LDL, trigliserida darah sebaik simvastatin.
Thank you, Muhammad Yamin, for the great sharing of the overview of the natural medicine in the health promoting intervention care. I'm sure this sharing information may give us a better view and understanding of natural medicine, which play an important role in prevention and the total health balance care for us in our daily life. Phytomag is a functional food which made from the finest selected natural botanical ingredients, which are processed and served in the form of concentrated drop of phytonutrients. It has a unique chemical diversity which results in diversity in their biological activity and drug-like properties, dedicating the power of the plants, generally improve the body health. As shared by Muhammad Yamin, Phytomags contain micronutrients such as amino acid, minerals, and vitamins which help to support a healthy function of cardiovascular, brain, eye, skin, bone, and the most important, our immune system. The Phytomags do not contain any animal ingredient. There are no any chemical fertilizer and pesticide applied to the plant cultivation to ensure providing a clean and green plant source ingredient to feed our body cell. Phytomag contain ready use of functional phytonutrient in form of synergetic effect, which able to provide the pre-digested form and ready use component to act as the protection regulator instantly in the body system. It can be the best alternative option to ensure the efficiency and variety of the best beneficial result to our body. Many people start their first Phytomags, they experience immediate benefit, feel stronger body protection, and feel better body detoxification power. What we recommend is that individuals take Phytomags 3 times a day for 90 days. Just drop 10 drops Phytomags in glass of water or beverage and drink freshly. That's because what you will see and what you will feel is revitalization and enhance your body protection. And those 90 days are optimum to get that wonderful state of optimum health. We have some inquiry and questions from the live audience regarding to today's topic. We will try our best to answer the question. This is the first question from our follower. Is that natural medicine can replace the Western medicine? Thank you for your question. As shared by our Smart Lab panel, Western and natural medicine is both good to promote optimum health for the human being. Western medicine is always provide the fast result symptomatic treatment, while the natural medicine provide a slow but comprehensive treatment to the whole body system. In my opinion, there is no which one is the best for us. It is more important to select based on the need and conditions such as the severity of illness, health medical background profile, treatment availability, and etc. Integrative medicine is a combination of natural medicine and Western medicine which able to provide a better and comprehensive health care for optimum the treatment care to the respondent. Natural medicine always can be the prevention's role or post-treatment care which able to restore the health of the body after the symptomatic illness has been under control. Therefore, this is why nowadays more and more people looking the natural medicine as part of the prevention program to sustain the health. We will go to another question from our follower. The question is like this: Is natural medicine always safe since it is natural? Thank you for your question. The goal of the natural medicine and naturopathic practice is to treat underlying the disorder and to restore the normal body function by enhancing the body's own healing ability. Naturopathic diagnosis and therapeutics are supported by the scientific research drawn from reviewed journals from many disciplines, including naturopathic medicine, herbal medicine, conventional medicine, European complementary medicine, clinical nutrition, phytotherapy, homeopathy, psychology, and etc. Furthermore, clinical research into natural medicine has become an increasingly important focus since 10 years ago for naturopathic doctors. Therefore, based on the concept, goal, and practice, we believe that natural medicine is safe to enhance the body health and ideal as the health promoting and preventing care for individuals. We have another question from others, followers. The question is like this: Phytomax is a phytonutrients botanical supplement product which good for health. Do these products suitable for everyone? Thank you for your question. As shared by our smart panel, Muhammad Yamin, Phytomax is a fermented product from selected natural source of botanical plants, which able to provide a high bioavailability of micronutrient and phytonutrient for health. It is made from food source and under the GMP manufacturing facility to ensure the product is always safe for consumption, including for the kids and elderly groups. Phytomax do not contain synthetic compound. It is a natural food-based supplement which do not cause any chemical interaction which normally occurs in prescription drugs. This is why natural medicine always considered as safe and used as post-treatment and prevention care to maintain a good health. We still have many questions from the follower. Unfortunately, we do not have enough time to answer it. Please leave your message here so that we can get the feedback to you as soon as possible. This is all about for this episode. Next episode, we will go to further in natural medicine on nutrient supplement. We will discuss one of the nutraceutical compound which may enhance the optimal health in our body. That is phytonutrient or phytochemical. Living a smart lifestyle can lead a healthy, happy, and harmony life. Thank you and see you soon in BizWorld platform.
Thank you, Simon and Pak Yamin, for the wonderful sharing. So today we're gonna have an amazing promotion for you. Buy one set of Phytomax, you will get one bottle for free, so totally 4 bottles. And if you buy 2 sets of Phytomax, you get 3 bottles for free, so totally 9 bottles. It means buy 2 sets, free 1 set. So this promotion starts from today, 9th December to 11th December. It's totally benefits for you and your family. Just take this opportunity to be strong. Phytomax, source of life.